Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to curl the dumbbells or how to perform the bicep curls properly. Okay, I see a lot of people that do it wrong in the gym. Okay, you might think you know how to do this exercise. You might think, you don't need to watch this video, right? But if you watch this video today, and you probably point out the mistakes that you'll be making, and hopefully you correct that and maximize this exercise, because it is great for your biceps. I mean, everyone does it, right? So why don't we get started? Now, before I show you how to perform this exercise properly, let's discuss briefly on the biceps, okay, the general structure of it. If you've been watching my old videos, you should already know this, but if you don't know this, the bicep consists of the short head, which travels kind of down here. I don't know if you can see it properly. So it travels down down this path. The long head travels down this path. It's longer than the short head, okay? And the brachialis is somewhere around here. So these three muscle groups make up your biceps, and they help you curl weights and lift stuff, which is good. Now let's talk about how to hit each muscle. Now, if you're curling this way, you're mostly hitting the short head of your muscle of your biceps. If you're curling this way, you're hitting the long head. So like example, if you're doing pull-ups, okay, that's hitting the long head, and it's also going to hit the brachialis. So if you're doing like forearm exercises, like curling dumbbells this way, you're hitting the brachialis and also the long head, not just the brachialis. So this one mostly hits the short head. If you want to really get that nice ball, that nice ball structure of the bicep, you're gonna have to curl your dumbbells every which way. Okay, so this way, you can also do this way too, and that's how you grow your biceps. Okay, now I can show you how to perform these exercises. The first mistake that some people make is curling very lightweight. Okay, if you're trying to grow your biceps, all right, this is not going to help. This is a bit too light. Okay, if you can fling it around, then it's too light. It's not going to help you grow your biceps. No matter if you're thinking you're going to do this if you're going to do about 20 reps, you find out if you've done 20 reps, you still have a lot of energy to do 20 more. So if you're trying to grow your biceps, it's not effective to curl very lightweight. Okay, so that's the first mistake that some people make. If you're not trying to grow your biceps, for example, some women prefer not having big muscles, right? They prefer to have they prefer to look more feminine, which is like basically less muscles on their upper body, right? So they end up doing curling lightweight, and I understand that. If that's how you want to keep your biceps, that's fine. You can do that, but you're not gonna notice your biceps might grow, but it's not gonna grow to a significant size, right? If compared to curling heavier weights. Now, moving on to heavier weight, some people overdo it. You see this? This is extremely heavy for me. So you'll notice some people curling in the gym, they'll be doing this, right? They're kind of flinging it, trying so hard, using every single muscle that is required to lift this. You do use their shoulders, use their legs, kind of use momentum, so that's a big mistake. Okay, I mean, it's a big mistake. So if you're trying to grow your biceps, the most effective way to curl the dumbbells is reducing the weight. Okay, flinging this just involves a lot of muscles, and you need to focus on your biceps. So you need to focus the whole curling on the biceps, not the shoulders, not the legs, not including momentum to lift it, to push it, right? So just keep that in mind. Reduce the weight. That's how you can effectively curl the dumbbells. Okay, the third mistake that some people make is curling too fast. Okay, they do this, right? They do this. Even if they can lift it properly, without including momentum, they just quickly lift the barbell. Now, that's a mistake, because you want to maintain the concentric and eccentric rule. So if you're doing the concentric, you go fast. If you're doing an eccentric movement, you go slow. So curling up, you go fast, and eccentric, you're going slow. That's how you should properly lift the dumbbell. Let me give you a side view. The muscles will grow properly when you lower it slowly. Okay, so concentric fast, eccentric slow. Okay, it's as simple as that. Okay, I can't think of any other mistakes right now. My brain is telling me you need to sleep, Douglas. It's already almost 12. So I'll just cut this video here. I'm gonna end it here. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. By the way, my name is Douglas. If you don't know me, I'm a personal coach of Do Fitness right here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe as well. That would greatly help this channel, and you know, hit the post notification, and also share this video if you found it helpful and you need to help a friend out there that's, you know, is making these mistakes. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I'm too tired. Good night.